Hi everyone, it's Han here at catcancode.com. Today I'm gonna show you a very cool product that I have just purchased today. So this product is called Handheld Camera Gimbal device, and the brand is Zhiyun. The model is Smooth 4. Let me tell you a little bit about the purpose of a gimbal. So nowadays many people using their smartphones to record videos, and if you just record the videos using your hands or a simple selfie stick, if you move around, the video gonna be very shaky, or you try to pan the cameras to follow an object, and that mess up the stability of your video. So the gimbals can help to reduce the shakiness of the movements of your cameras, and this is the product for mobile device. Okay, let's get to the main point. There are two colors of Smooth 4, black and white. I believe the model that I got here is black. Let's open it. Oh, it's harder than I thought. Oh my gosh. Alright. Here we go. So outside of the box is a very simple plastic bag. I'm not a big fan of plastic bag because it's really harmful for the environment. I'm gonna put it in the proper bin later. So let's open the product. Let's open the box to see what is inside. I'm very excited because recently I want to do more outdoor filmings. As you may have noticed, most of the videos, like this video, I use a tripod with a DSLR to make sure that everything is stable. But if you want to film stuff outdoor while you're walking or running, you really need a stabilizer like this one. Okay, so this is inside the box. It's a little bit hard. Wow. Okay. I think I kind of break the ass out the box. Okay, so this is the box. Let me see what else is in here. This is probably, let me see. Oh, it's a quick start guide. It's a quick start guide, like instruction on how to use the device. And this is the service card, probably for warranty. Okay. So the whole product is covered inside a very nice and light box. I think I can carry this box around. Very steady, very nice. There's a brand name here, Zhiyun. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay, you guys gonna see it first. So over here we have a little USB 3 cable for charging the device, And we also have a little tripod thing. So if you want, you can turn this gimbal into a tripod for indoor or static movie recording. And in the tripod, underneath the tripod, there's three small pieces of rubbers here. So the tripod can stand firmly on the table. I'm gonna put it here. You see the USB-C for charging the gimbal. Very modern. Okay. Let me see what is inside the box. So this is the gimbal. Oh, there is a, let me see. Okay. It's quite heavy. This is quite a very heavy gimbal for mobile devices, for mobile cameras. And I can tell here the holder for the phone is very steady. There are the advantages and the disadvantages for a very heavyweight mobile gimbal like this, because when it's heavy, it's hard for you to hold it for a long time. For example, if you want to climb a hill, when you want to climb a mountain and record yourself using this gimbal, it's gonna be heavy after say 1 hour or something. And the advantage of this is that some of your phones are very expensive, so you want to feel safe when you stick your phone to a device like this and hold it like this. You don't want your phone to fall over. You don't want to damage your phone that way. So I like it. Like overall, the feeling is very premium. Let me try to stick my phone in here. By the way, my phone is Galaxy Note 8. I have done an unboxing video of this phone before. I will link the video in the description below. You see, is it easy to... Okay. Okay, it is quite easy. It's very easy to lock my phone in, and my phone is a very big phone. The Galaxy Note 8 is a very big phone, and it fits easily and firmly to this gimbal. So I feel very confident that my phone not gonna drop while I'm running or climbing up a mountain, because that's the reason why I buy this gimbal for. Most of my videos so far are only indoor videos with the tripod. However, I want to record myself climbing up mountains, running along the beaches, walking around. So I want a very stable way to record a video, and I want to make sure that my phone doesn't fall off as well. I believe I can record very good quality outdoor videos with the image stabilizer of this gimbal. And it has a lot of buttons over here. As you can see, there's a lot of buttons over here, and there's a rotating thing over here to zoom in and zoom out. By the way, the Zhiyun Smooth for Gimbal has an app. So if you download the video app, I think called Zhiyun Play or something like that, you can control the app with all these buttons. You can control the app with all these buttons, and you can zoom in and zoom out the videos with these wheels. You also can switch the camera from the back to the front using this button. So that's a very cool thing. And there are multiple modes of controlling this gimbal. I think two of the quick modes that you can access are through the two back button over here. Overall, my feeling is this: I'm very happy with the product, and believe it or not, I got this product for 139 Australian dollars. This is actually very low price. I bought it from Office Works. I'm very happy with the price, so that's why I decided to buy it immediately today. I look at that camera and the price is like 200 Australian dollar, and I look at like the United States size website, and the price around 140, 130 US dollars. But I got this for 139 Australian dollars, so I think this is a very good investment. You can set up the tripod like this. Okay, so now I have one more way to record indoor videos. Or I can just make it long like that so that I can feel more confident to hold the phone. Okay, I'm very happy with this product, guys. Very premium. I can hold it very firmly. Well, it's a bit heavy though. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I will record more videos outdoor and indoor action videos with this gimbal, and hope you guys enjoy this unboxing video, and see you next time. Thank you.